the last 6 months been just in growth. We're not even talking about partnerships that we also are going to talk about here shortly.
Yeah.
That we locked in this year. But it's been great 6 months, don't you think?
Yeah, and I think the other thing that's always on our radar that we always encourage and a lot of franchisors do is the growth through acquisition, right? And creating partnerships and mergers. So we're always open. If you need the assistance, you want to join Techy, give us a call.
Yeah,
right?
don't hesitate. If you have 5 stores, 100 stores, we are looking to join with more partnerships, and people like that, make us grow, and that's what we're looking to do.
Yeah, we talked about conversions in one of our previous ones, and we're working on that now.
Yeah.
Because again, we're in this together. This is one industry.
Yep.
And so we're here to support the industry. And so if you have a store and hey, I need a little bit of support, I need a little structure, don't hesitate to reach out to us, and we'll be glad to even give you some of the stuff that we have for free, right?
Absolutely.
And work together.
Awesome. Well, thanks, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.